Like me. Hardcore. Airborne. Ranger. Lead the way. Lead the way.
Hey, it's on Locksmith here. Okay, so we're going to actually change the button on our 4-button Ford remote here. Now, for this task here, you will need to remove your key ring. So once you've got that off, I'm using just a glorified flat tip screwdriver. You can do it with a flat tip, or you can put a quarter in there or a dime. But go ahead and put it in here and just twist it, and the two halves open up. The back cover, little rubber gasket popped out and brought the battery out with it. You might get lucky and it might come out that way. If not, don't sweat it. This is your CR2032 battery. When you put it in, you'll push inwards and down. Now we're going to simulate that when we open this up it didn't come out. You'll turn around and push down on the battery and push it away from you. And if it doesn't want to pop out and you go like this and it doesn't want to come out, take your flat tip and just lift it up into that corner and the battery flies out. So we'll go ahead and reassemble it. We got lucky on that one. Make sure your seal's sitting down in there. Take and flip your remote over and go ahead and snap it back together. Hey, notice you're done. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you would, give us a thumbs up if this video helped you. Go ahead and check out some of our other videos. We've got our 1500 remote videos alone. We do have a lot of videos for your do-it-yourselfers, basic locksmithing, and if you want to do some improvements on your house with your locks, we've got videos for it and videos being made, whether or not to hire a locksmith or it's something you can do. Thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.